Diksha and I am teaching maths of NCERT class 8. So बच्चों, once again I am back with another question of exercise 6.5, 6.4. That is question number 5. Let's see. देखते हैं question number 5 क्या कहता है. Just look here. Here it is saying find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. वह least number निकाले कि जिसे इस नंबर से मीन्स गिवन नंबर से ऐड गिवन नंबर से ऐड करने पे वह परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. ऑल्सो फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर सो ऑब्टेन. और आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर ऑल्सो. मीन्स हियर टेलिंग यू नो दिस आर द गिवन नंबर. इन सारे नंबर में से हमें कौन सा नंबर ऐड करना होगा जो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. ओके, तो जस्ट लुक हियर, जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Just it is similar to question number 4. Just look here. So first of all, in question number 4 we have taken square root. Here we will also take a square root. So look here, solution of first 525. Let's take its square root. हम first of all pairing करेंगे. Now 2 2s are 4. Getting it? Sorry, 2 2s are 4 minus 5 minus 4 1. Then once again we will note the same pair. ये पेयर को हम नोट डाउन करेंगे 125. Now add 2 plus 2 4. So what will you write down here to make it to get either 125 or less than 125? So just look here. 5 5s are 25 32. 5 4s are 20. It's more than ज़्यादा आता है. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12 also. 3 टर्म्स में भी ज्यादा आता है. सो यू विल डू बाय 2. 2 2 जा, यू लुक हियर, यहाँ पे रिटर्न करेंगे 2. 2 2 जा 4. 2 4 जा 8. अगर आप इसे 3 टर्म्स रिटर्न करते हैं 3 3 जा 9. 3 4 जा 12. ज्यादा आता मीन्स मोर देन 125. नो इट इज परफेक्ट. सो नाउ माइनस 5 minus 4 1. 12 minus 8 14. 4. We have got 41 here as a remainder. So write down here. Since we get remainder 41. Okay. Therefore हम remainder 41 आता है. It means the square of 21 का square is less than 525. 525 से कहने के लिए वो क्या है? स्मॉलर है. Therefore next perfect square, इसके बाद वाले perfect square क्या आएगा? 22 के बाद मीन्स जस्ट आफ्टर 22 के बाद कौन सा perfect square आएगा? That is 23. Next perfect square number is 23. 23 the square and the square of 23 will be what? हम यहाँ पे स्क्वायर करके देखेंगे. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 6 is 12, 1 2 is 4, 1 5. 529. The square of 23 is 529. Okay. It means the number which must be added to make the number perfect square. Okay. Thus, here I am just writing next step. Thus, the number must be added to make perfect square. हमें perfect square बनाने के लिए कौन सा नंबर को हम ऐड करेंगे? Is equal to, just look here, is equal to square of 23 minus 525. 23 के स्क्वायर में से हम 525 को माइनस करेंगे. What will you get? What is the square of 23? 529. So note down here 529 minus 525. What do we get? 529 में से 5 को माइनस करेंगे, you will get 4. क्या आता है? 4. Okay? It means to get a perfect square, कि 525 को perfect square बनाने के लिए हम उसमें 4 ऐड करेंगे. Okay? Thus, therefore, the required perfect square is equal to 525 plus 4. 525 में आप कितने ऐड करेंगे? 4. Okay, you will get 529. Got it? Therefore, and also telling here that find the square root of the perfect square. So obtain. आपने जो perfect square ऐड करने के बाद जो obtain किए उसे हमें मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट भी फाइंड आउट करनी है. So therefore, the square root of 529 is what we have seen here. The square of 23 is 529. Therefore, the square root of 529 will be 23. Got it? Okay. Now let's see the second part. अब हम second part देखेंगे. Okay. Getting ना very easily. बहुत अच्छे ढंग से समझ में आया और you convinced properly. Now next part. अब हम देखेंगे next part. That is 252. 252. Solution of second part. That is 252. Look here. Once again we will find the square root of 252. 252 का हम square root find out करेंगे. Just like this. 1 1 जा 1. You know how to find out. आपको पता ही है how to find the square root. 2 minus 1 1. Once again इस पेयर को हम नोट डाउन करेंगे. Here 52. Now once again you will add here by 1. You will get 2. Okay. अब हमें just here is 2. Now which number will you write down here? Means अब यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर रिटर्न करेंगे to get either 152 or less than 152. 152 आए या फिर 152 से कम. Just look here. 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 6, 4 4 जा 16, 4 2 जा 8, 5 5 5 जा 25, 32, 5 2 जा 10. Just look here. Let's see by 5 5 से देखते हैं. 5 5 जा 25 carry 2, 5 2 जा 10, 10 to 12. We have got 125. Okay, getting up. So just look here. If you get, अगर आप try कर सकते हो 6 से, if you do by 6, then 6 6 जा 36 carry 3, 6 2 जा 12, 12 and 3. You know it will be more than 152. 152 से ज़्यादा आएगा. So it is perfect. Now 12 minus 5 7 and this is what 4. 4 minus 2 is what 2. Okay, so here remainder is 27. Remainder कितना आया 27. Once again since we get remainder, what is remainder here 27. Okay, so therefore you know the square of 15 का square is less than 252. कहीं न कहीं जो स्क्वायर है 15 का स्क्वायर 252 से कम है. You know because the square of 15 you know 225 है and here it is more than 225. So the next perfect square क्या आएगा हमारा? Next perfect square square number is what 16. Square of 16 and the square of 16 is what 256. आप चाहें तो लगे देख सकते हैं. 6 6 जा 36 carry 3, 6 1 6, 6 1 6, 12 12 and 3 15 5 carry 1 1 1 जा 1 1 1 2 256. Okay, the square of 16 is 256. Okay, it means you know what the number which must be subtracted, the added जो हमें नंबर ऐड करनी है to make perfect square. Therefore the number which must be added to make a perfect square is equal to what? The square of 16 minus 252. What is the square of 16? That is 256. 256 minus 252. What do you get? कितना आएगा? 6 minus 2 4. You get 4. Okay, 6 minus 2 4. Here 5 5. Okay, we have got here. Okay, 4 means if we add 4, अगर हम 4 add कर दें into 152 में, okay, then it will become a perfect square. Got it? Very clearly. If 252 में अगर आप 4 add करते हो, then it will become a perfect square. So just I'm rubbing it. इसे मैं rub कर रही हूँ. Just try to understand. Okay. Next. Therefore, thus the required perfect square Next step, thus the required perfect square number is equal to what? 225 was our 252 was our given okay number. 252 में आप 4 ऐड कर दो. 252 plus 4 what do you get? 256. It is the perfect square. यह perfect square है. Okay, which we obtained by adding 4. जो हमने obtain किया 4 ऐड करके. Got it? Now here also telling that find the square root of this perfect square. Therefore, the square root of, don't write the square root. Okay. Therefore, the square root of 256 is, just look here. A square of 16, 256. A square root of 256, 16. Very simple. Got it? Clear है? Now next is, now third part. We will see the third part. Okay? I don't think that you need to be, you can do it. Third part आप कर सकते हो. Third, fourth, okay, there are 2 or more. Okay, that you can do. Now let me teach the second question of exercise 6.4. अब हम इसका second question करते हैं. Getting it now? I hope question number 5 is very clear. You understood it very properly. बहुत अच्छे ढंग से आपने समझ लिया. Okay. Now we will do question number 6. Just look here what the question number 6 says here. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Question number 6. Find the length of the side. Find the length of the side of a square. Doggy is also attending his class. So, side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. 441 meter square. Clear? Just look here. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Okay. We have to find the side of a square. Okay. And its area is given. Suppose that this is a square. ये square है. Its area is given, इसका area given है, that is 441 मीटर. कितने एरिया है इसका? कितनी एरिया है? 441 मीटर स्क्वायर is its area. Asking what will be the length of the side. ठीक? साइड की लेंथ कितनी होंगी? ओके, मीन्स कितनी लंबी होगी इनकी साइड, इसकी साइड. Just look here how to find the length of the square. Length of the side of this square. Solution look here. We don't know what is the length of the side, so just take here. Length को हम a ले लेते हैं, suppose कर लेते हैं. Let the length of the side of a square, length of the side of a square be x. x suppose कर लेते हैं, x मीटर, या x suppose कर लेते हैं, सिंपल एंड बगला x. Okay, and you know area of a square is equal to what? Side into side. Therefore, area of the square is equal to area of a square is equal to what? Side square. And here we have supposed side to be x. यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया है साइड को? x. That is x square, जो कि x square हो गया. Now, x square means area of the square. Area is also given 441. Now look, we just look here. This square, ये जो square है, अब हम इस square को यहाँ से remove करेंगे and just we will put here 441 पे इसे under root करेंगे. Okay? By removing these two means the square of x. Square पे x को remove करते हैं. इस x स्क्वायर को रिमूव करके हम यहाँ पे अंडर रूट में डाल देते हैं 441 को. Getting it? So now 441 is under square. Just find the square root of 441. You know it. The square root of 441 is what? क्या होगा इसका? 2 2 0 2 to the 4, 41, 21 will be here. 2 to the 4, now you will note down here. 41 को हम यहाँ पे नोट डाउन करेंगे, 1 टाइम रीड करेंगे, 4 1 20 जस्ट 41 1 जा 41 means the square of 441 is 21. Therefore, okay, x is equal to 21 what? 21 meter. Thus, the length of the side of a square is 21 meter. Thus, the length of the side of a square is equal to 21 meter. 21 meter. इसे आप नोट कर दो, नोट कीजिएगा 21 मीटर. Got it? बहुत इजी है, बहुत सिंपल वे से आप इसे just have taught you so easily and you can understand it very easily also. Okay, so this was the answer of the question number 6. I hope you would have understood this question, solution of this question very properly. Means बहुत अच्छे ढंग से आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. So I'll meet you in next video with next question. Till now, bye bye.